Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to sort a dictionary on the basis of its key. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So basically, standard Python dictionaries are unordered until Python 3.7. Even if you sort the values, that is its even if you sort the items, that is its key value pair, you wouldn't be able to store them in a dictionary in a way that would preserve the ordering. Hence, one of the easiest way that we can use to sort this is a data structure called as a ordered dict created by the Python developers, which remembers the order in which the elements have been inserted. However, to use this ordered dict, we need to import it from the collections library. So let me write that down, import collections. And after doing that, all I can do is simply work on the data that I want to sort in. So let's say this is my data and I want to sort it on the basis of its key. So basically, given this data, I want to sort it on the basis of its key. So this item would come first, followed by this item, and so forth. So what I will do is now I'll create a variable called as ordered dictionary is equal to collections, that is the library that I have imported, dot I'm going to use a object or a class that is ordered dict, ODERED, capital dict. And now inside this, all I have to say is my data, that's the data variable from the upper dictionary, dot items. So basically I'm going to say that out of these items present inside this dictionary, convert it into a ordered dictionary that is coming out from the collections library and save it in the variable OD. And now it's really simple. All I need to do is I need to print the OD variable and we would get its output on the window. But now, as you can see, the ordered dict returns the dictionary in the same order of the fashion that was given as the input. So what's the problem here? So a simple issue is we haven't added the sorted keyword as its function call. So basically what we are going to say is now sort these items and then save it in the dictionary. So let me just write that down here. Sorted. So I'm calling the method called as sorted on the data.items and then I'm saving it in the ordered dictionary. So now the order is going to be preserved in the dictionary irrespective of any changes made in the code. And as you can see, now the keys are sorted in the ascending order fashion and saved inside the ordered dictionary. So that's how you can sort your items inside your dictionary on the basis of its key parameter. So that's it from this quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.